Namaste friends. I welcome all of you in this today's session. Today we are going to discuss factors affecting on the adsorptions. In previous session we have seen what is meant by adsorption, adsorption isotherms, different types of adsorption isotherms such as Freundlich adsorption isotherm, Langmuir adsorption isotherm and adsorption isobar. So adsorption is a basically phenomenon in which the one substance gets accumulated over the surface of another substance. So there are total 7 factors which affects the adsorption of gases on the adsorbents. Here adsorbent is a solids, such as first factor is nature of adsorbent. Adsorbent is a surface of a substance over which adsorption takes place. Nature of adsorbate. Adsorbate is a substance which accumulates over the surface of another substance. Third factor is temperature, then pressure, specific nature, exothermic nature, and reversible nature. So let us discuss each factor in detail. First factor, nature of adsorbent. Adsorption depends upon the surface area. Okay, the more surface area, the more will be the adsorption. Less surface area, lesser will be the adsorptions. Now, if our adsorbent is finely divided or it has rough surface, then it leads to the larger adsorptions. Okay, for example, this is the smooth surface and the area accessible for the adsorption here is less as compared to the rough surface. Okay, these are, here is the rough surface, odd even surface, so we get more area for the adsorption. Now if we divide this adsorbent in more fine particles, then we get larger surface area. Okay, now look at this diagram here. Small, let us consider small fraction of the particle. Now this is the area accessible to all the adsorbent molecule. From all the sides, gas molecule may get adsorbed over this surface. So the finely divided adsorbent will adsorb more gaseous particle than rough surface and than the soft surface. Second factor is nature of adsorbate. Adsorbate is a substance which gets accumulated over the surface of another substance. Substance which gets adsorbed over surface of another substance is called as adsorbate. Now, in case of gases, the gases which are highly liquefied and are highly soluble in water are adsorbed to a greater extent. So this gas molecule, okay, they can be liquefied easily. Now, when experimentally tested chlorine and nitrogen, rate of adsorption or extent of adsorption of chlorine and nitrogen gas on the 1 gram of charcoal. Okay, here charcoal acts as adsorbent and these two are the gases. Then adsorption was found to be 235 centimeter cube for chlorine and 8 centimeter cube for nitrogen. Okay, so from this we can understand that chlorine gas is more liquefiable than nitrogen gas. Chlorine gas is more liquefiable than nitrogen gas, or the chlorine gas has higher critical temperature than the nitrogen gas. Chlorine is more soluble than nitrogen in water. So charcoal will absorb more chlorine than that of nitrogen. Temperature. The extent of adsorption decreases with increase in temperature. Lower the temperature, greater will be the rate of adsorptions. Now why the temperature affect on the adsorption process? Because when you increase the temperature, then kinetic energy of the adsorbate, that is gaseous molecule, will go on increasing, and the increase in temperature will leads to the change, okay, in the dimension of the gaseous molecule, and which will now hinder the adsorption over the surface of the adsorbent. Next, pressure. Okay, initially the adsorption of gases by solid increases with increase in pressure. When you increase the pressure, then what will happen? The gaseous molecule, okay, they will strike more over the surface of this adsorbent. Okay, but after equilibrium, what happen? Increase in pressure will have no effect on adsorption. Okay, now here, so this is the equilibrium, maximum pressure, and all the gaseous molecule are accumulated over the surface of the adsorbent. Now look at here, there is no empty space for the adsorption, further adsorption of the molecule. So the increase in pressure will have no effect on adsorption because no adsorption sites are available for the adsorption. Next, specific nature, the adsorption of gases by the solids are selective in nature. Now, what is meant by selective? Now, look at this. This is the adsorption surface. First assumption of Langmuir adsorption isotherm is that the adsorption surface consists of small adsorption sites. Okay, these are the adsorption sites over which the adsorption takes place. So these gaseous molecules are getting adsorbed over these adsorption sites. Okay, now these sites are selective in nature. They have strong affinity for the adsorbate molecule. Okay, and this affinity can be defined as it, the affinity can be weak van der Waals forces or the chemical forces. Now, if there is another mixture of the gases, then what happens? So, experimentally, it was found that from the mixture of ethylene and coal gases on charcoal, then only ethylene adsorbed on the charcoal. So, these are the coal mixture of coal gases and ethylene gas. So, this only ethylene gas gets adsorbed over the surface of this adsorbent. Okay, because these adsorption sites are selective in nature. Okay, they can adsorb only the molecule which have the similar dimensions or similar affinity. Sixth factor is exothermic nature. So adsorption process is an exothermic process. Exothermic means the heat is evolved in the adsorption process. So amount of heat evolved in adsorption process is called as heat of adsorption. Second, last factor is adsorption process is reversible. So mostly the physical adsorption is reversible in nature and chemical adsorption is irreversible in nature. Here reversible nature means what? Okay, when you increase the temperature, then desorption takes place, and when you lower the pressure, then desorption takes place in case of the physical adsorption. But the chemical adsorption is mostly irreversible in nature. So thank you for watching this session. To get further videos, subscribe and like this YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.